a lot about the younger generation now, their obsession with TikTok and going viral and being online. But it seems they're actually more up for a career in health and social care. It's not what you'd expect, is it?
Good morning. Yeah, I actually did not expect that at first. I also thought that the younger generation want to become TikTok or YouTube influencers. But we believe that the result that health and social care has come out as their most desired dream job. We believe this has also been heavily influenced by the pandemic because children have been inspired by doctors and nurses, and that definitely impacted their aspirations.
Is part of this down to who you've talked to on this? I mean, is this a survey of people who are using your service and therefore you may think have got a slightly different outlook on life?
No, we have actually, across Europe, we have interviewed more than 12,000 children and parents from the target group. And in each country in which we conducted the service, we used more than 1,000 kids and parents from the respective target group, but not only customers from our Go Student services.
Interesting, because here in the UK, we've got public sector strikes going on at the moment, a staffing crisis in the NHS, and a discussion about low pay. I mean, they're out on strike because they want to be paid more. And we've got children here, the younger generation, who want to join that sector. It's quite remarkable, really, isn't it?
It is remarkable. And also, apart from that, we also found out that 7 out of 10 children, that they stated that they want to make a difference in the world. And that actually, for me personally, it gives me a really, really good feeling. On the more concerning side, though, young people also stated that they don't feel prepared for their dream job. And they are not being taught some of the skills or some of the subjects that they feel are key for their future, like, for example, artificial intelligence, robotics engineering, or finance.
I tell you what strikes me. Is there an element with some of this where these youngsters are thinking that they expect to finish school or higher education or further education and expect to walk into a dream job rather than start at the bottom and build their way up, which is the reality of things?
Yes, I mean, each and everyone knows that from us. You need to work hard. You need to start somewhere, and then you can also fulfill your dreams, and you can achieve everything if you believe in it. But I think from an educational standpoint, it's important for us to set up our children for success and provide the right educational support for the families, for the schools, and for the teachers to give them the right foundation, that they also really can achieve anything they want.
Felix, what do you think needs to be in the curriculum then? If you're saying so many children, I think you said 74% of children don't feel like they're learning the correct things in terms of AI or finances. What do you think needs to be in the curriculum to help give a more holistic approach to a child's education?
So what we found, one of the key drivers, for example, financial literacy. Financial literacy is something that both the kids but also the parents want to see on the curriculum. Also, we found that 84% want to see lessons on the environment. We also found out that 81% see current affairs as a core skill. But what really struck me is that more than 90% want to see personal finance on the curriculum. So really a better view on what are the right skills that are required today, combined with topics like artificial intelligence or robotics engineering are the key topics that were discussed there.